This is the Netgear router control panel. Basic. Wireless. Passphrase. You change your wireless network password here. If the router has two wireless networks, you change it in two different boxes. This is method 1. Next is method 2. Advanced. Setup. Wireless setup. Change the password on each wireless network separately. Thank you for watching. Good luck. Apply.